show you that a smash book page can also be as simple as this. These are the places that I would like to go to. In a way, it's like a dream board, but this is as a result of the work that I did in the video that didn't make the page. Excuse me, didn't make the page. But this is a smash page in and of itself, just like this. Something here. Be as simple as this. This would transform something as well. An idea, a feeling. So you don't need all of the journaling techniques. You just need what you need. That's the bottom, whatever the page needs. I've got tape on there. So if you get overwhelmed by everything that I've done, which is certainly possible, just don't worry. Do what you can. Don't stop. What's rule number 1? There are no rules. Rule number 2, don't stop. Rule number 3, check the first rule. So now I've got this lovely little page where, oops, this guy didn't stick. Now I've got almost have this lovely little page where I used paint, just leftover paint, and I'm covering it up with something I really want to do, and this is really expensive. Okay, so now I've got Scandinavia, cultural highlights of Japan. I may need to put more tape down, or just fold. Fold is probably good. See, so you see, I'm just making this up as I go. Okay, that works, and that works. I might have to put something in the middle here. I'll just wait and see what happens. You see, that's how it works. Okay, I'll just wait and see how this happens. That probably should have been on the back. Yeah, that's all right. So here we've got travel for people who love to learn. That's me. And that just makes me so happy. Who knows how I'll get to all these places. There you go. So it can be as simple as that. Loving you fiercely. Can't wait to see what's going on for you.